Imagine saving over $80,000 by buying a car that's only 6 months old, because brand new one of these costs $343,000. Yo, unlock a deal over here, and this right here is BMW i4 Gran Coupe M Sport. One owner unit with low mileage, lowest depreciation in the market, and a very nice warranty and service package from Performance Motors. Let's check it out. This car looks absolutely fire in this neon green wrap. Super sexy and really stands out on road. Just look at this beautiful silhouette of this Gran Coupe. Comes with very nice set of 19-inch sport trims with M Sport brakes. Over there, can you see? I really love these LED lights. Super beautiful, super nice, just gorgeous. Now have a look at the silhouette of this ride. And from behind, just have a look at the tail lights. Super beautiful, super nice, very slick. I'm really in love with the design of this vehicle. Now let's have a look on the inside. Behind, beautiful leather interior in perfect condition. We have rear passenger aircon, comes with its own set of controls as well as a couple of USB-C charging ports for you. Very nice ambient light on the door and black tile roof lining. Absolutely love this in cars. And now let's go in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very modern, premium and beautiful looking cabin. First things first, we have flat bottom, M Sport steering wheel, full leather, multifunctional, very nice to hold. Beautiful digital speedometer cluster connected to your massive infotainment screen. Of course, it comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Over here we have beautiful ambient light, which of course can change color. The ambient light is also here on the doors and even in your footwell for driver and for passenger. Okay, over here we have your wireless charging pad for your phone, USB, 12-volt, and couple of cup holders. This is your gear selector, start and stop button, different mode selection, auto hold function, electric parking brake, and a controller for your infotainment screen, which is also touch screen, by the way. Check it out. You press a lot of functions for you to play with. These seats are in perfect condition and they're super comfortable. They hold you very nicely. They're fully electric, even come with electric lumbar support. Have a look. Beautiful leather interior. Look, all this is stitched very nicely, guys. Have another look. Alright guys, in terms of COE, this car still got 9 years and 6 months left. A lot of time for you to enjoy. In terms of depreciation, lowest in the market at only 24,000 plus. Also, as I mentioned earlier, comes with a very nice warranty package. 5 years warranty on car, 6 years servicing without cap on mileage, plus 8 years battery warranty for this vehicle. Also, I do not hide it, I'm a petrol head. But this car might just be putting me into a different cap bit by bit. In terms of driving, absolutely fantastic. It is quick, it is comfortable, it feels very planted on the road. Absolutely fantastic. I really enjoy driving this car. So, you want to be enjoying driving this car? You all know what to do. Call me and I'll give you a good deal.